Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the crashing in Hitman 3. So if you want to learn about the crashing in Hitman 3, I will show you all the steps in this video and you will learn it on Windows 10 and 11 PC. Follow the step, watch complete video, and if you're new here then don't forget to subscribe this channel. Now let's watch the video and learn about it.